Hi, I'm Chris Zink, and I am delighted to invite you to attend the first ever sports medicine conference held specifically for dog enthusiasts. In case you haven't signed up yet, I thought I'd tell you a little bit about what I'm going to talk about. It's a subject that's critical to anyone that's interested in keeping their dogs injury-free and working at peak performance well into their senior years. You know, over time, I've noticed that a lot of dogs that come to see me have been suffering with chronic injury for months and sometimes even years. You know, it's not their person's fault. It's just that the dogs are pretty good at hiding pain, especially when they're playing games that they love. So in this conference, I'm going to show you a whole bunch of tips and tricks to help you figure out whether your dog is feeling pain or discomfort well before it shows any sign of lameness. I'm going to use lots of videos from my case files so that you'll see what you can learn from a simple cell phone camera. You know, recently I saw a dog that would not perform weave pulls in competition, but he would every time in training. And this had been happening for 4 years. So understandably, the trainer thought, well, dog must be ring wise. Maybe she knows I can't correct her in the agility ring, but I can at home. Well, everyone would think that probably, but here's the thing. When I looked at videos of this dog's performance, I could see that the dog was feeling pain whenever she was bearing weight on her right-hand side, especially when she was turning to the right. In fact, it indicated that the dog probably had a soft tissue injury of the right side, probably the shoulder. And sure enough, when I examined it, I found out that it had supraspinatus tendinopathy and medial shoulder syndrome. So in my talk, I'm also going to tell you a whole bunch of other tips and tricks that'll give you a tremendous amount of power to monitor your dog throughout its career and detect early injuries before they get worse or even become catastrophic. This is going to be the first time that I've ever presented this to dog trainers, so be sure to join us at the first ever Canine Sports Medicine Conference for dog enthusiasts, November 17th and 18th, 2018 in Frederick, Maryland. You're guaranteed to learn a whole lot of new information that you will use for a lifetime to improve your dog's health and longevity. See you there.